Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the visual and the audio hookup so you can update the UI in real time. Add a screen GUI and a clear text label for title/artist. Keep font and size readable. Place a local script under the screen GUI so it runs per player. Import the sound asset ID you want to play or reference an existing sound instance. You need those ID to detect what's playing. Once done, wire the local script to locate the text label, and the sound instance right away so update code can run. Now implement the logic that watches the sound and writes to the label. In the local script, find the sound instance you will use and connect to its playback events. When playback starts, fetch sound ID or any metadata and parse it into a readable name. Update the text label. Text with a concise string like Now Playing, song name, artist, and animate opacity or slide for attention. Make sure to debounce updates and handle quick skips by canceling previous timers. This prevents flicker and out-of-order displays. Finish by polishing UX and adding resilience so the Now Playing display feels reliable. Add a short fade-in/out, limit shown text length, and optionally add an icon or timestamp. These small touches improve clarity. Test across clients, and with remote-triggered audio to confirm the local script locates the correct sound every time. If it breaks, first verify the local script is under Starter GUI, confirm the text label path, and ensure the sound ID is valid and allowed. Often the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.